Hello and welcome to Hanan Energy Zone. Today, let's talk about the DT830D Digital Multimeter, a compact and affordable tool for measuring electrical values like voltage, current, and resistance. This meter is perfect for beginners, students, and technicians. The rotary switch in the center allows you to select different modes. Checkmark AC and DC voltage. Checkmark DC current. Checkmark resistance. Checkmark transistor testing. Checkmark diode testing. Checkmark continuity check. It comes with two test probes, red for positive and black for negative, and a clear LCD display that shows your readings. Always connect the black lead to the COM port, and the red one to the V-MA or 10A port, depending on what you're testing. It's ideal for home use, battery checking, or basic circuit testing. Remember, safety first. Always start with the highest range and lower it if needed. Thank you for listening, Hanan Energy Zone.